You know, it's almost Halloween, so it's time to grab an adult beverage for your local Halloween party.
You know, wouldn't it be great if we had a beer for, I don't know, like a movie, like Dawn of the Dead?
Ironic, really, because Ninkasi Brewing have released Dawn of the Red. So grab your adult beverage. It's that time on a Friday night. You know what we're going to do?
We're going to open the bottle and taste what's inside.
Hi Internet, it's Lee.
Taylor.
And as you heard, it's that time on a Friday night when we're doing our adult beverage taste test for those adults who are legally eligible to drink in your local area. Ninkasi Brewing have released Dawn of the Red. It's available for Halloween. It is a India-style red ale. So grab your beverage, and we're going to be taste testing this, and then we'll have a drink together, and we'll do a cheers. It's actually a fairly light red looking at this as it's pouring. Alright, so beverage is poured. As you can see, it's a fairly light red ale. A nice head. What's the aroma?
Hops.
Very hoppy red ale.
Hops.
Very, very hoppy. I like that. Taylor's not a massive fan. But what a perfect name for a Halloween party. Dawn of the Red. One of the greatest George Romero movies ever. It's from... how much is the beer? How much is the alcohol?
7%.
Wow.
Wow.
So it's a fairly strong beverage. So here we go. Are you ready? Cheers. Cheers, Internet.
Oh my lord.
That is really hoppy.
Yes, it is.
It's the kind of hops that get you in the back of your throat.
It's not smooth whatsoever.
It isn't very smooth. I do like that, I have to say. I like a beer where you know you're having a beer. So anyway, so this is from, again, from Ninkasi Brewing. Ninkasi, sorry. I apologize. Ninkasi, sorry. I've had a beverage or two at this point. We've been filming for a while. It's Dawn of the Red. I love the logo with the horns. That's pretty cool.
It's metal.
So anyway, so please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you've tried this beer in the comments below. If you have any suggestions of other geeky beer, or geeky alcohol, I should say, let us know as well.
We've got a few in our fridge.
We have. We're ready to go. There's links all around the screen right now on the QR codes that you just scan with your phone. But in the meantime, grab your beverage, Internet. Cheers. Thanks for being Geek Nuggets. Are you ready?
Yep.
Till next time, take care, Internet. We'll see you soon.
Adios, Geek Nuggets.